The National Air Support Department is a multi-agency approach to service delivery, something that we have now adopted as government, the need for all of us to work together. This reform initiative was necessitated by the compelling need to foster effectiveness in the management of the national aviation assets with a view to optimize on safety, efficiency, and improved availability of aircraft. Throughout our history as a nation and as a people, different generations have poured their imaginations into conquering the challenges that hold us back from the full realization of our shared prosperity. And even then, when we make progress in one sphere, we want to better our nations in other spheres too. In the past, utilization of national air assets has been managed in a very uncoordinated manner, leading to inefficient training, unoptimal utilization, as well as maintenance of air assets and air-related facilities. And indeed, the result of this approach has been poor manning and the state of aircraft serviceability in each of the individual government departments. In some instances, departments had more air assets and not enough manpower or womanpower, while others had more pilots but very few assets, and others had very low serviceability rates. It is worth noting that because of not properly maintaining these air assets, we have had tragedies within our civilian air fleet that have broken the heart of the nation and in some instances claiming many lives. This challenge made the case for adopting a coordinated approach in the management of our air resources ever more urgent. In this regard, we found it prudent to bring under one organization the air assets from the National Police Service Air Wing, the Kenya Wildlife Service, the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, and the Kenya Forest Service. This brings together a pool of air assets totaling 36 aircraft, helicopters and gyrocopters, which we have just seen, manned by 273 well-trained and motivated personnel. Ladies and gentlemen, the enhanced consolidated capacity, no doubt, will provide us with adequate means of transportation for swifter response to situations across every corner of our country. It will also guarantee greater safety through higher quality and more frequent servicing and maintenance checks. Under a single pool, our aviation assets and facilities will benefit from economies of scale and easier upgrading. The combining of experience brought from both the military as well as our civilian aviators will definitely be a great asset to this department. The capabilities and wealth of experience within the National Airspace Department will not only benefit government, but by providing aircraft and equipment maintenance services to private sector air operators, the National Airspace Department will promote aviation safety and reliability across Kenya and the region, and with the added benefit of generating revenue to supplement public funding. I believe Kenyans expect a lot from this department, and we shall therefore hold you all accountable as to the quality of service you deliver.